Today we're going to learn the difference of placing a linked file versus an embedded file. So let's work with linked files. I've got my alumni recognition field pass, and I also have my parking pass, and my third document says Homecoming 2020, Friday, October 8th. I'm going to go back to my field pass and go to File, Place Linked, and I'm going to need to choose the image I want to link, and I'm going to choose Homecoming 2020 and Place. I need to resize that. I'm going to hold the Shift key down so I can resize that. I can click my check mark there. If I want to align that with the Move tool, I can click the three dots and make sure I'm aligning to canvas. And I can align it in the center and at the bottom. And then I can bring it up just a hair. Next, I'm going to go to my Parking Pass 2022, File, Place Linked, and I'm going to select the Homecoming 2020 file and Place. Again, I can hold my Shift key down to resize that. Okay, and leave it right there in the middle. And I can click my check mark. Now, how do I know I have a linked file? Over here in the right in our Layers panel, it will let us know by showing the link there. So I've got my Field Pass, Homecoming 2020, my Parking Pass, Homecoming 2020, and finally I have my original Homecoming 2020. Now, what I want to do is I want to just update this. So I'm going to change this to Homecoming 2022. And I'm going to change the date to Friday, October, click my check mark. And the date's going to be Friday, October 21st, and check mark. Now right now nothing else has changed. But when I go back to 2020 and I click Save, automatically that has changed now to show Homecoming 2022 as well as on the other document. So once you place a linked image, anytime you update that original link and save it, it will automatically update everywhere you have that. So again, remember, when you have an image that is linked, when you change it one place and save it, it's going to change it everywhere.